UBS, Switzerland's largest bank, reported its highest quarterly profit in almost 3 years this morning. Investors don't appear to be too impressed. The stock is actually falling. Let's find out why with Dirk Becker, Deputy Head of the Banking Sector Research at Kepler Capital Markets in Frankfurt. Dirk, it's been a long turnaround effort at UBS. We're beginning to see the results. Why do you think investors aren't taking it to heart too much?
Yeah, I think today is not a great day to report good results. The sentiment on European banks is very weak because of the sovereign debt crisis, which were some new fears out today. Initially, the share price was up this morning, and then during the conference call, there were a couple of things which were probably not so great. But I think the overall picture is very good, and we believe that UBS has now really shown the first tangible evidence that the turnaround is happening.
Okay, tangible evidence that the turnaround is happening. How long is it going to take, though, before you are absolutely certain that the turnaround is taking place?
Well, on the wealth management side, we're still seeing outflows. We probably need to wait until this turns into inflows before we can be really sure that clients trust UBS again. They expect this will happen in the second half of the year. And then on the margin side, UBS was always between 100 and 110 basis points. In the crisis, it fell to 80 basis points. It's now up to 93. It will probably take several years, as they expect, to bring this back to the previous level. But it's moving in the right direction now.
Dirk, UBS pre-announced its fixed income trading revenue a couple of weeks ago, and everybody got quite excited, and that indeed is one of the stronger elements underlying the results that we've seen this morning. But how competitive is UBS in credit right now? They were so badly decimated by all those write-downs and losses. Are they going to be able to get back into a groove such that they can compete with the likes of Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and Bank of America, all of which reported credit trading revenue, or at least fixed income trading revenue, double or more what we saw from UBS today?
Yeah, I don't think this is their ambition anymore. What they want to have is a fixed income business which is generating normal revenue from client flows. I don't think they are shooting for any top position in this division anymore. They tried to do this in the last boom cycle, and we know where this went. They are now trying to be a bit more modest. Their target is 8 billion revenues, which is indeed would not be in the top league of the global investment banks. And I think they're getting there. They had 2 billion now in Q1, and they believe that the run rate would be stable.
All right, Dirk, we thank you for joining us. That is Dirk Becker of Kepler Capital Markets to talk about the surprise from UBS. But as we pointed out, investors not impressed enough just yet.